Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to connect portronics key11 combo mouse and keyboard with your iPad. Okay, and one of the main reason I purchased this combo pack because of I have my iPad is here. You can see here, this is my iPad and it is iPad Air 3. You can see here it is iPad Air 3 and iPad OS is 18.3. okay, so in this device does not support USB-C. You can see here it is lightning port, so it is difficult to buy OTG lightning to type C converter. So I decided to purchase this this combo portronics key11 combo. So I am already paired these two devices and I will show you how to connect it again. Okay, so first we go to settings, then go to Bluetooth, then you can see my Bluetooth is turned on and there is two pair device like key11 BT1 BT2. so take your keyboard and you can see here there is button to turn on that. I'm turning on the thing and you can see here it is now on working with the 2.4 GHz and you can simply click here to connect. Okay, once again press it will become blue color. You can see here, sorry, it is now in blue color and it is connected. You can see here BT1 is connected. Then I will take my mouse. You can see here this is my mouse, key11 combo mouse, and you can see here this is if I move this button to upward it will work on Bluetooth, downward it will work on Wi-Fi. So I'm turning on to Bluetooth mode and you can see here it is connected. Oh, so fast. Okay, and that's guys, you can simply connect after pairing these things. So iPad OS 18.3 does not support mouse pointer. It is a white dot. You can see that white dot is here. Okay, we are just go to our notepad and go to new note. Okay, if I typing, you can see here I will show you that. Okay, backspace working and I type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, everything is working. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it is working. And this mouse, okay, I'm moving this guys here toward that point, then I will select it. Okay, then right click and there is options like cut and paste something. So it's work very easily with Bluetooth. So that's guys, in this way you can simply connect your Bluetooth mouse and keyboard with iPad, and it is working with my iPad Air 3 and iPad OS is 18.3. so that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.